Alright, Sec 3A Maths, I'm going to go through your Term 3 Holiday Assignment Quiz, question number 4, part 1. In the expansion of 2x minus 1 over kx to the power of 8, the coefficient of x squared term is minus 28. Show that k equals to 4. Now, in order for you to deal with this question, we need to use something called the general term. Okay, the general term is tr plus 1 equals to nr, your a, your b, this is r, and this is n minus r. Okay, we need to use the concept of the general term to help us deal with this question. How am I supposed to do that? Let's take a look. So we use tr plus 1 equals to 8r, because we don't know which position is going to give you x squared. Okay, so I let this be position r. The first is always 2x. The next one is 1 minus 1 over kx. Remember, this is r, so this is power r. R plus what gives you 8? 8 minus r. From here, what should we do? Now, we realize this x is already not in the denominator, but this x is in the denominator. Unacceptable. So, I'm going to bring the x up. 2x to the power of 8 minus r minus 1 over k x to the power of minus 1 to the power of r. Okay, I'm only bringing this x up. I'm leaving the k at the denominator. Okay, from here we're going to split up all the numbers and all the x. So this is 8r, 2 to the power of 8 minus r, x to the power of 8 minus r. If you notice, I split up the 2 and the x. I'm going to split up the minus 1 over k to the power of r and x to the power of minus 1 to the power of r. Now I'm going to rearrange this whole string of things. This is obviously a number. I put all the numbers together with the minus 1 over k to the power of r. All these are numbers. I'm going to put the x alone by itself. 8 minus r, x to the power of minus 1 to the power of r. Now there is nothing I can do with this, but I can simplify this. So this is 8r, 2 to the power of 8 minus r, minus 1 over k to the power of r. Now I'm going to simplify this. This will give me x to the power of 8 minus r times x to the power of minus r, which is going to give me x to the power of 8 minus 2r. If you read the question, I want the coefficient of x squared term. So this needs to be x squared. How does this need to be x squared? I just equate 8 minus 2r to be equals to 2, because that is the power of x that I want. So I bring the 2 over, so it's 6 equals to 2r, r equals to 3. Once I get my r equals to 3, I can now substitute r equals to 3 back into the coefficient of x squared. Now they tell you that the coefficient is negative 28. So when I substitute the r, I can equate it to negative 28. So this is 8, 3, 2 to the power of 8 minus 3, minus 1 over k to the power of 3, and that will give me negative 28. Now I can solve for the value of k. Now if you key in 8, 3 into the calculator, 8, 3 will give you 56. So this is 56. Multiply by 2 to the power of 5. Multiply by negative 1 over k cubed, and that will give you negative 28. Time to solve for the value of k. 2 to the power of 5 is 32 times negative 1 over k cubed equals to negative 28. So negative 1 over k cubed is equals to negative 28 over 56 times 32. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to calculate what is 56 times 32. 56 times 32 is 1792. So I get negative 1 over k cubed is equals to 0.015625. Okay, if I were to cross multiply it, I will get negative 1 equals to 0.015625 k cubed. Okay, if I bring it over, so k cubed equals to negative 1 over 0.015625. Right, 0.015625. I get 64. So k cubed is negative 64. If I cube root negative 64, I'm going to get k equals to negative 4. Shown. Now, I don't have a proper calculator with me, that's why I'm giving all in decimals. But you should be able to work this out on your own. That is the basic concept. Okay, so you do need these for tomorrow. So do know how to do this question. Okay, now I believe you can do part 2 by yourself. If there's any question, please text me or give me a call.